Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open Mini Countryman Boot from inside. Begin by folding the rear seat forward to reach the interior panel, then find the small release lever typically on the left side. Pull the lever firmly while supporting the boot lid with your other hand and lift until it clicks open. Practice this once or twice to build confidence and always check for obstructions before closing the boot. I will explain a simple step-by-step method to open the Mini Countryman Boot from inside. Move the front passenger seat forward if you need extra reach, then fold the rear seat down to create a clear path. Reach through the opening, locate the interior release tab, and pull it with steady pressure while holding the boot lid. Practice this routine in a safe area to ensure you can do it confidently every time. I will help you follow quick safety tips when opening the Mini Countryman Boot from inside. Before unlatching, verify no one is in the boot area and keep pets away. Wear gloves if metal edges are rough and support the lid to prevent it from slamming. If the release feels stuck, stop and inspect for damage rather than forcing it, and consider professional service if you suspect a mechanical fault for secure operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.